Today we're unboxing the Govee RGB lights. There's 6 bars in here. I'm gonna quickly open this up. Just gonna give a little spice to my room, as the room just looks kind of blah. So bars are right here. There's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3. Quickly guys, quickly. We don't have time. Let's do this. Adapter. Yeah, just one adapter. Okay. And the control box is right here. The stickers, they go in the back over here. We need more. And there's another, that is a control, so it's the Wi-Fi for Alexa and Google. And the rest of the bars are here. So we can set this up in the room and see how it looks like. I got all 6 bars over here now. As you can see, I have the charger, everything's set up. I'm gonna hook this up and show you how it is. You can basically hook up each end like that. I'm just gonna, for demonstration, have only 3 bars in here. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this, probably the back of the monitors. So this one is sound activated. 1, 2, 3. I can have a solid color. And you can connect this to the Wi-Fi network to be able to use it with Alexa and Google. High quality guys, this is high quality stuff. So yeah, you can see it's pretty bright, and if I turn off all the lights, we can see how it looks like. So this is it with all the lights off. Really bright. The thing I love about it, the colors all unified everywhere, and you don't see the individual LEDs. Very nicely designed. So guys, as you can see, if you're looking to level up your gaming, streaming, or home decor, the Govee RGBIC Smart Wall Light is a flashy, fun, and surprisingly affordable way to add some serious RGB personality to your space. With 16 million colors, segmented control, and music sync, this isn't just a light, it's an experience. Now I'm going to be doing a sound test of the Govee LED light bar. This light bar, actually, I was skeptical, but as soon as I heard the music, it changed my mindset about this light bar. I think I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to show you guys why. This one is music activated or sound activated, so if there's any sound coming to this, it basically activates the light, same as this. It's very sensitive actually, it's really nice. This would definitely be a nice setup for someone's DJ setup, or just in your room, at a party, whatever. If I play a song, then this thing starts activating the colors just like that. I'm gonna play a song with this right now and see how it works. It's actually really cool. Unlike basic RGB strips, these lights can display multiple colors at the same time. Gradient waves, smooth color transitions, or wild party vibes, all customizable in the Govee Home app. Music sync mode. Got a killer playlist? Let your light pulse and react to your music, making every beat feel like a visual explosion. There are 11 different music modes to match the vibe, whether you're gaming, chilling, or throwing a mini rave in your room. Smart Control works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can change color brightness and effects. With 64 plus preset scenes, you can intensely set the mood, whether it's cozy sunset glow, a futuristic neon wave, or a reactive game ambience. Now setup. The installation is super easy. Just stick them on your wall using the included adhesive and Velcro. No drilling, no mess. However, there are no corner connections, so you're limited to straight lines design. Some people have mentioned occasional Wi-Fi connection issues and Bluetooth. So if you ask me if it's worth it, for $99 Canadian with a 35% coupon, it's a steal for anyone looking to upgrade their setup without breaking the bank. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just love epic mood lighting, the Govee Glide wall light brings an instant wow factor to your room. So if you ask me,
definitely worth it. Guys, if you like this, please like, subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Leave some comments below. I'll make sure to reply back, and thank you so much for watching.